What is up, guys? Currently right here working on the Mustang, trying to get this little thing right here to twist one more loop and then be able to put this water, this heater hose, water heater hose through here for the air conditioning system that we're installing on the Mustang. 1967 Mustang, guys, just right here. But just a quick update. Yeah, I've been working on this car. Every time we start working on a car, we see that we're missing more things that are required for the car. So it's like it keeps on setting us back a bit, but that's okay. Little by little, we're figuring this out. We just need the whole engine part now, some wiring, a couple more things, the pulleys, and it should be started pretty soon, hopefully by the end of this year. But here's the SI, guys. Nothing new on the SI, nothing new. Just my front lip, it's still a little damaged. Decided to just cover up with this tape right here, and honestly, it's not that bad. It just got it got like right there, it fell off a little. It got the adhesive didn't stick on as well because I kind of did it pretty quick. Right here too, little hole right there. You can see a little opening right here. Boom, just gotta redo it, which I have a big ass roll of that heavy duty tape, but it stayed on pretty well right there, and it actually doesn't look that bad, and it covers up where I cracked the carbon fiber, because once again I hit something and it made the piece right there open up a little bit, like it was a little mouth opening. Like let's say it was sealed like this and the crack is there, but then it opened up again like this, like a little half-inch opening, and I was like, damn it. And then I sealed it up again, put that resin and everything, and then it looked really ugly. It was either sand it all down and try to paint it or just cover it up for now, which worked out pretty well for me, and it looks pretty nice. Yeah, but besides that, nothing else new on the car, guys. Just a quick update. Went to Vegas, car survived, it's here. There's pictures of it on IG, go check out the IG. Went to Speed Vegas where you could drive the cool cars and all that. Picture right here. Went to the Mustang thanks to my fiance. Oh yeah, I'm engaged now, guys. Hell yeah, engaged. So hell yeah for that. Feels great being engaged, guys. Hell yeah, man, feels great. Had to pop the question out there in Vegas in front of the Bellagio fountains. Pretty nice. But yeah, car made it back, and I went to Speed Vegas, got to drive my dream car once again thanks to my fiance. Hell yeah, guys. Drove the Mustang GT500. I believe it was like a 2021, 2022, one of the newer ones. Beast ass car, guys, and this is the reason for this video. The rest of the video is just gonna be me driving that GT500. It was 7 laps. I was scared at first on the first lap. I was like, oh shoot, how's this gonna go? Am I gonna spin out? How's this car gonna handle? You know, because I've never driven one. It wasn't manual, it was just with the paddle shifters, but that's how all the cars were right there. The Porsches, the Lambos, the Ferraris, there were some Maseratis, the Corvette, the C8. There was an NSX, the newer Acura NSX, and then the GT500, and they have a couple other cars. But bro, that thing handled so nicely on that track. The track is very easy, just like a not crazy turns, but still, like for a first timer on that type of thing. And I've never tracked the car before, not even my SI. A lot of people tell me to do it. Still debating it because I don't want to break my freaking carbon fiber stuff, guys. And the car, the way it sits, I feel like I will break something out there in the track, and I don't want to be dealing with that. But yeah, thank you guys for all the support. Like I said, went to Vegas, got engaged, popped the question out there. The SI survived, made it to Speed Vegas, drove my dream car. So hell yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm 29 now, guys. That was all for my birthday weekend. Fuck yeah, 29 years old now. 29 years young. Thank you for all the support. Stay tuned for more videos. Might start doing videos on this thing too now. This car just needs a couple more things, maintenance, clutch, little things here and there. I'm trying to figure out this bumper fitment since it failed with the Mac lifter. Like, look at that. Oh my god, like I don't know, guys, my whole bumper is like falling off in all honesty. But all in all, car is running great. Just trying to get this one to be all done soon. Thank you guys for watching. Watch the video right now of me driving the GT500, man. It was beast. There's like 2 camera angles. There's like the POV of the car and then one facing me, and you'll see me going like, oh, like all crazy. But hell yeah, guys, thank you. Peace out.
And let's go ahead and proceed straight. A little bit of throttle here. I'm gonna make a left. There you go, hang a left. Perfect. Go through the blue cones. Last one up top, make a full stop right against it, okay? brakes up top. Entering smoothly, a little bit of throttle here. Accelerate, you're good. Hop shift. Stay on the right side. Hop shift. Stay all the way right. There you go. Hop shift. Off the gas real quick. We got one car coming up. Let him squeeze by. Smooth brakes. There you go. You're gonna pass you on the left side, okay? There you go. 1 sec. And accelerate. You're good. We're gonna make that right tighter. Push the gas pedal more to your left. Work your way out to the right side. Accelerate, you're good. 4. Brake straight to the green. Go wide to your second cone. A little bit of throttle here. Turning in. Tighter. Good. Apex to your right. Hook it tight. A little bit of throttle here. Back to your left. Stay left. Accelerate. Maintaining right, tighter. Apply smooth brakes. Hold the brakes. Smoothly off, turning early, let it coast. Pointing straight to your right. Accelerating left. Go, go, go. Back to your right. Now brakes, downshift. Going wide. Smoothly off, turning in, diving in. We're going to pass him on the inside. A little bit of throttle. Accelerate. There you go. Unwind it straight. Now squeeze it. Go. All the way. Let it rev up higher. Keep going. Keep going. Now brakes. Hard brakes. Hold the brakes. Stay wide. Smoothly off. Turning in. Tighter. A little bit of throttle left. Accelerating out to the right side. Now go. There you go. Keep going. Brakes straight to the green. Hold it wide. Smoothly off. Less throttle. Less throttle. Turning in. Apex to your right. There you go. Accelerate. Tighter. Tighter. Apex to your left. Staying left. A little bit of throttle here. Maintaining it right. Tighter. Now brake smooth to the green. Brake smooth. Smoothly off. Turning left early. Apex right away. Connecting left. More throttle. Back to your right. Now brakes straight to the green. Hard brake. Stay wide. Smoothly off. Downshift. Turning in. Tighter. A little bit of throttle. Out to the right. Go, go, go. Up. Back to your left. And brakes. Harder brake. Harder. Follow my lead. Smoothly off. Turning in. Tighter. Back to your left. Accelerating out. Now go. Accelerate. You're good. Straight to the green. Stay wide. Smoothly off. Turning in. Tighter. Less throttle. Less throttle. Give him space. Accelerate. You're good. We're going to pass him on the inside, okay? Stay in. Stay in. Back to your left. Good. Accelerate straight. Off the gas. Let it coast. All the way to your right. Brake smooth to the green. Hold the brakes. Hold the brake. Turning early. Let it coast. Pointing right away. Connecting left. Squeeze the gas, back to your right. Now brake, hard brakes, down one. Stay wide. Nope, one at a time, okay? Turning in. A little bit of throttle here. You're gonna unwind it first, straight. Squeeze, go. Hop shift. Back to your left. Up. Now brakes, hard brake. Hold the brakes harder. Now smoothly off, turning in, tighter. A little bit of throttle left. Accelerating out. Now squeeze it. Go to the right. More. Brake straight to the green. Hold it wide. Smoothly off, turning in, tighter. There you go. Look at throttle. Back to your right. Tighter. Less throttle. Less throttle. Back to your left. Hold it steady. You see how sudden movement like that? Trying to lose that. Back to your right. A little bit of throttle. Now brake smooth. Hard brake. Smoothly off, turning early. A little bit of throttle right away. Accelerating left. Go ahead. Accelerate. Back to your right. Now brakes. Hard brake. Remember to go wide. Downshift. Smoothly off. Turning in. A little bit of throttle. Tighter. You can unwind it to the right. Now go. All the way. downshift, waiting for the green. Now smoothly off, turning in, tighter. A little bit of throttle left, accelerating out, now squeeze it. There you go, keep going, accelerate. Now brake to the green, hold it wide. Now turning in, tighter. Perfect. A little bit of throttle right, tighter. Connecting left, stay left. Squeezing that throttle. Off the gas, back to your right. Accelerate. Brakes hard. Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Turning early. A little bit of throttle right. Connecting left. Squeeze it. Back to your right. Now brake. Down. Hold it wide. Off the brake. Let it coast. Diving in. Tighter. Unwind to the right. Now go. Up. Ready and brakes. Hold it down. Harder brakes. Harder brakes. Now smoothly off. Turning in. Tighter. A little bit of throttle left. Accelerating out. Go squeeze it. Last from the inside. Accelerate. Brakes. Brakes. Hug this line. There you go. Easy with the steering wheel. Accelerate. Tighter. There you go. Back to your right. A little bit of throttle. Tighter. Tighter. Back to your left. Staying left. A little bit of throttle. Straight. Off the gas. Let it coast to your right. Accelerate. Now brakes. Hold the brake. Turning early. Turning early. Back to your right right away. Accelerate. Back to your left. Squeeze it to your right. More throttle. Now brakes. Harder brake. Waiting wide, downshift, off the brakes. Turning in. You gotta slow those hands down a little bit more. Now go ahead and squeeze. Up. And brakes. Hold it down to the green. Harder brake. Smoothly off. Turning in. Let it coast. Accelerating left. Work your way out to the right. Now squeeze. More throttle. Brake straight to the green. Go wide. Off the brake. Turning in. There you go. Tighter. Tighter. A little bit of throttle back to our right. Coming in. Tighter. Tighter. Apex to your left. Stay left. Accelerate. Straight. Lift up. Back to your right. Brake smooth to the green. Brake hard. Smoothly off. Turning left early. Pointing right away. Accelerating left. Right. Brakes hard. Brakes hard. All the way down to the exit. Straight in. How was it?
It's fun.
Did you have a great time?
Hell yeah.
Make a left right here. Go slow, okay? Go slow. Go slow. There you go.
Then bring it down.
Now you can check the whip and peel. Damn, this nigga is ill. Gear shifting smooth as butter. Cut in and out of lanes undercover. Style, wow, my mirror, the rear view. You can never fly by, homie, I will see you. Mach 5, change terrains if need be. Thou shall never floor pass. I will the D.I.D. before you act on.